how to remove the background of any video in CapCut. Let's get into it. First things first, we want to start off by selecting the clip we want to remove the background of. Next, we want to go up to Video and go across to Remove Background. In this menu, you'll see a few different options, but for this instance, we're going to select Auto Removal. With that selected, you can see that it has automatically detected our background and removed it from our video. Now, to show you what this looks like with a new background in place, I'm just going to bring in a clip I've downloaded from online, and I'm going to move our original clip on top of this clip like so. Now, if we scrub through the clip like so, we can see our new background behind our subject there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.